I forgot to do a 5-second task and it cost me big time. Can't believe 5 seconds of negligence is going to cost me hundreds of dollars. And you know, I had plenty of opportunity to take care of this and not let this happen, but here I am dealing with it. What's going to make me feel better about it is making a little bit of money, or at least kind of putting money in the bank by producing firewood and having more wood to sell next year. And you know, things break on the farm sometimes. We got to recognize that, and there is an operating cost associated with the farm, and making sure we have solid revenue streams like firewood will help pay for those operating costs. I just hate it when something is completely avoidable. Remember just the other week I was using my pump to hose out the new IBC totes that I got. They were the totes that were full of mulch dye previously, and I was trying to rinse some of that mulch dye out. Well, had to use my pump. And when I finished that job, I forgot to come down and drain the pump, and of course it got cold. And guess what frozen water does? It expands, and yes, the pump housing cracked. You can see right there, that housing failed. That is not repairable. That stinks. That's a $700 pump that I've had for, what, 2 months, 3 months? And hopefully I can get just a replaceable pump housing, and that won't be $700. We'll find out. So with the truck empty now, you can see I filled up 1 basket full of wood, and in my operation, depending on how much of this wood ends up going in bundles or how much gets sold in bulk, I average about $150 to $175 per basket, and I am on my way, I'm sure, to paying for that pump. It's probably going to take another basket at least. I don't know yet what that's going to cost to repair, but at least in mind and body, I feel a little bit better. Nothing quite clears the head like some physical labor. So got the blood moving, feel a little bit better, learn from this mistake, and do better next time. That's all we can do. Hope you guys have a good one. Don't make any stupid mistakes like I did. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.